You may have noticed that we're redoing a roadmap, and that's not because anyone did anything wrong. It's just that I think we can get more out of this text if we take a closer look. So, as we look, we're going to put these triangle symbols, they're called deltas, next to places that show a change. And we're going to underline places that show Mrs. Jones's compassion. So, let's take a look, and I'll give you one example so that you can do it on your own. When we're looking for a place that shows a change, we can look at paragraph 22, where it says Roger looked at the door, looked at the woman, and looked at the door and went to the sink. So that shows a change because before he seemed to be wanting to escape from Mrs. Jones, and this time he is choosing to stay with her and go to the sink and wash his face. So I want you with your shoulder partner to find other places that show a change in the text. And there's plenty of them, so you should have lots of marks on your roadmap. It also says we need to be underlining places that show Mrs. Jones's compassion. I think one of the first places where we see her compassion is where she notices that Roger's face is dirty in paragraph 10. She says, and your face is dirty. I got a great mind to wash your face for you. So that's showing her compassion because she is noticing Roger and taking pity on him, and she's creating this like mental plan to help him out.